everyone. Welcome to my daily market report. This is Mike. And as you can see here, we got a couple economic reports to go over today. We'll start off with the market services PMI report. And this is basically index that gauges the services industry. The next one will be manufacturing. And on these two indexes, anything above 50 is considered expansion. So as you can see here, for the month of December, we were at 54.8. Forecast was calling for a slight dip down to 53.6. However, it went upwards to 57.5, which is obviously very good news. We're seeing an increase. Now, on the manufacturing side, we were at 57.1 back in December. Forecast again, we're calling for a dip down to 56.5, and this one also went up upwards to 59.1. So good news overall by the market reports. So let's look at existing home sales for the month of December. So in November, it was actually revised higher. It went from 6.69 million to 6.71 million annualized adjusted seasonal units here. So forecast calling for a dip to 6.55. However, it did go upward to 6.76 in December million. So good news right there as well. So overall, good news on the economic calendar. So let's check out, see if we got the same on the headline news. However, stocks are down. They're kind of at a wit's end. They've been kind of reaching new highs earlier on. We're not seeing much improvement. We are getting some corporate earnings reports. However, coronavirus, they're kind of looking at where things are at in terms of new lockdowns are developing in Europe. We're getting higher and higher cases being developed out there. There was a report out by Dr. Fauci that may have, looks like it indicates that uh, the vaccines that are out there in the market that may not be applicable to some of the newer strains from the COVID. So there's kind of some pessimism that kind of setting in right now for the investors. So stocks are down as a result. Let's jump ahead here to see how this is playing out in the mortgage-backed securities and what mortgage rates are doing. Mortgage rates are up a little bit. They're down slightly for the day because we started up here. We lost a little bit of ground yesterday. We were up positive territory. We were even up about 5 points. However, we ended up closing down 6 basis points. So when you see these two wicks here on wide wicks on both sides, that's creating some uncertainty in the market as to which way to go. However, we did start up a little bit higher, have come down a little bit, but we're still up 6 basis points for the day, or 6 basis points from when we left off yesterday. This movement here really wasn't enough to create a change in pricing, but this kind of helped offset that. So we're kind of at unchanged pricing from what we've seen yesterday and pretty much on Wednesday as well. So pricing should be comparable to what we saw at the end of the day Wednesday for mortgage rates. Yields, we're still kind of in that range as we've been kind of seeing a sideways pattern. We're at between 1.09 and 1.1 range here. And kind of, again, going in the sideways pattern until we get some type of breakout to go one way or the other. All right, so mortgage rates again remain unchanged. And if you guys got any questions or anything I could do, please feel free to reach out. Again, I'm going to try to get a link up here, hopefully maybe by next week, where you guys can always reach me via that link. But a little bit about myself. I am a loan officer. I do work with the national lenders, so we can help a lot of people in different states. I can certainly answer questions in regards to pre-approvals or anything about rates or anything else you may have. I'd be more than happy to answer what I can help you guys out with. We can also help you guys with your refinances as well as purchases. And look forward to touching base with you guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. We'll see you on Monday's video. Bye-bye.